Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most capable and respected airborne fire control radars ever developed, Israel's ELM-2032. This radar, produced by ELTA Systems, has become a backbone technology for several fighter jets around the world. In this video, we're going to explore what makes the ELM-2032 so advanced, why so many air forces trust it, how it works, and what tactical advantages it gives to pilots in real combat scenarios. Everything will be explained in clear, simple language, with short paragraphs for smooth listening. The ELM-2032 was designed to give fighter aircraft a dramatic leap in detection power, tracking accuracy, and situational awareness. When fighter pilots enter a hostile environment, the first thing they need is information. Accurate, fast, and reliable information. This radar answers that need by combining advanced electronics, powerful signal processing, and versatile modes that allow pilots to see far, react fast, and strike with precision. It is not just a sensor, it's the eyes of the aircraft, scanning the air and the ground with high fidelity. One of the defining strengths of the ELM-2032 is its multi-mode capability. That means the same radar can perform several different tasks without compromising performance. It can simultaneously search for enemy aircraft, track multiple targets, guide weapons, map the terrain, and observe ground vehicles. This versatility is crucial because modern fighter jets operate in complex missions where threats can come from the air, land, or sea at any moment. The radar allows the aircraft to shift roles instantly, from air-to-air combat to air-to-ground precision strikes. In air-to-air missions, the ELM-2032 is designed to detect targets at long ranges. Its powerful pulse-Doppler technology allows it to differentiate between stationary objects and fast-moving aircraft, even when they are flying low and trying to hide behind terrain. Pulse-Doppler radars calculate both the distance and velocity of a target, making it easier for a pilot to track an enemy jet performing evasive maneuvers. The radar can track multiple targets at the same time and prioritize them automatically. This gives the pilot a clear picture of which threats are the most dangerous and which can be engaged first. The radar's look-down, shoot-down capability is one of its most important features. Enemy aircraft sometimes fly low to hide from radar reflections. Without a high-quality radar, a fighter jet might struggle to detect them against the clutter of mountains, trees, or buildings. The ELM-2032 has advanced clutter ejection algorithms that filter out irrelevant reflections and isolate the real target. This enables a pilot to lock onto an aircraft flying at treetop level or maneuvering between valleys. In addition to detection, the radar excels at tracking precision. Once a target is found, the ELM-2032 can follow it with remarkable stability. Even if the aircraft changes speed or altitude dramatically, the radar keeps its track locked. This precision is especially important for guiding advanced air-to-air missiles like the AMRAAM or Derby. The missile receives constant updates as it travels, ensuring it stays on the right path until it activates its own seeker. A reliable tracking system can be the difference between a successful hit and a wasted weapon. For air-to-ground operations, the radar includes high-resolution mapping modes. Pilots can use synthetic aperture radar SAR settings to create detailed images of the terrain below. These images help identify buildings, bunkers, vehicles, or runways even in bad weather or at night. Unlike optical sensors, radar imaging does not rely on daylight or clear skies. This capability allows fighter jets to strike strategic targets with much greater confidence and accuracy. The ELM-2032 can also operate in ground-moving, target indication mode. This mode detects and tracks vehicles moving on roads or off-road terrain. Tanks, trucks, and armored personnel carriers are easily identified through their motion signatures. This is especially valuable for missions targeting enemy convoys, supply lines, or mobile missile systems. The radar constantly updates target positions, giving the pilot real-time awareness of everything happening on the battlefield. Another impressive feature of the radar is seat target detection. When operating over water, many radars struggle due to reflections from the ocean surface. The ELM-2032 is built to handle these complexities. It can detect ships, boats, and even smaller naval targets with a high degree of accuracy. This makes it suitable for maritime patrols, anti-ship operations, and coastal defense missions. Fighter jets equipped with this radar can operate confidently across all environments, air, land, and sea. One of the reasons this radar has been exported to so many countries is its adaptability. It can be installed on a wide range of fighter jets without requiring massive redesigns. Aircraft like the F-16, MiG-21, K-FIR, Fa-50, and even newer platforms have been equipped with the ELM-2032. That flexibility gives air forces an easy upgrade path, a way to modernize older jets quickly and affordably. By simply replacing outdated radars, they transform older fighters into far more capable and deadly machines. The radar's compact design is also an important advantage. It fits into smaller fighter aircraft that cannot accommodate bulkier systems. Despite being compact, it delivers performance on par with radars found in larger and newer jets. This balance of size and power is one of the reasons the ELM-2032 remains a global favorite in mid-generation radar upgrades. When it comes to electronic countermeasures, the radar is built to resist jamming. Modern warfare involves electronic attacks that try to blind or confuse sensors. The ELM-2032 signal processing algorithms adapt to interference, adjust frequencies, and isolate real signals from electronic noise. This resilience provides reliable vision in electronic warfare environments, ensuring the pilot always has a clear operational picture. The radar supports both long-range search and close-range combat operations. In beyond visual range engagements, its detection range helps pilots launch missiles long before the enemy is aware of the threat. In close-range dogfighting, the radar can instantly lock onto high, maneuvering targets. It integrates with the aircraft's helmet-mounted display system, allowing pilots to aim weapons simply by looking at the target. This gives a decisive advantage in fast, dynamic aerial battles. Maintenance efficiency is another area where the radar stands out. ELTA Systems designed it to be modular, meaning technicians can repair or replace individual components without taking the entire radar offline. Quick maintenance cycles reduce downtime and increase mission readiness. In high-intensity operations, reliability and serviceability are just as important as performance. The ELM-2032 also supports a wide range of weapons. It can guide air-to-air, air-to-ground, and anti-ship missiles. Whether the mission is destroying enemy fighters, striking ground-based air defenses, or targeting warships, the radar ensures precise delivery of weapons. Its compatibility with various weapon systems makes it attractive for countries with diverse arsenals. What truly defines the ELM-2032 is how well it integrates with the pilot's workflow. Modern cockpits are filled with information, and overload can be dangerous. This radar presents data in a clean, organized way that helps pilots make rapid decisions. Its ability to sort, prioritize, and display threats effectively increases survivability in complex environments. The system is responsive, intuitive, and engineered with combat practicality in mind. The operational record of this radar speaks for itself. It has been used for years in various air forces, proving its capabilities in real missions and tough conditions. Pilots trust it because it consistently delivers accurate information, fast reaction times, and dependable performance even under pressure. When a fighter jet enters contested airspace, confidence in its radar is a critical factor, and the ELM-2032 has earned that trust globally. Another reason for its worldwide adoption is the long-term upgrade path. As technology advances, ELTA continues to improve the radar's software, signal processing, and integration features. This ensures aging aircraft remain relevant in the ever-advancing world of aerial warfare. Air forces don't need to buy entirely new aircraft. They can upgrade the sensor and extend operational life by years. The radar's real-time multitasking capabilities represent a major leap for fighter pilots. While earlier radar generations struggled to maintain multiple roles at once, the ELM-2032 can search, track, and map simultaneously. This allows pilots to engage in complex missions without losing situational awareness. In environments where seconds matter, this multitasking power is invaluable. One of the most impressive aspects of the radar is its detection precision at long ranges. Even small, fast-moving targets can be detected from far away. This gives pilots more time to analyze and react. More time means better decision, making more accurate engagement and improved survivability. In modern aerial combat, the first aircraft to see the enemy is usually the one that wins. The radar's powerful ground mapping mode also enhances the effectiveness of precision-guided munitions. It helps pilots identify the exact location of enemy bunkers, command centers, air defense systems, or artillery positions. With accurate mapping, fighters can hit targets with minimum collateral damage. This level of precision is especially important in modern conflicts where strategic strikes must be clean and deliberate. Another benefit is the radar's excellent performance in all weather conditions. Clouds, fog, smoke, and darkness do not reduce its effectiveness. This provides 24/7 operational capability. No matter what the weather is like, the pilot can depend on clear imaging and accurate information. Search modes also add a major capability for nations with coastlines or maritime challenges. Many air forces must protect long stretches of ocean, monitor smuggling routes, or track hostile naval forces. The radar helps detect and classify ships at long distances, giving fighter aircraft a vital role in maritime security. Efficiency is also seen in how quickly the radar processes information. Real-time updates ensure the pilot always has the latest data, which is essential for making split-second decisions. Whether it's identifying a threat, selecting a weapon, or planning a strike, the radar's speed ensures actions are based on fresh and accurate information. The user-friendly design of the radar's interface allows pilots to control modes smoothly without distracting from flying the aircraft. Simplicity in presentation reduces cognitive load, which is important when flying at high speeds or under enemy fire. Every element of the radar is built around supporting the pilot in the most stressful scenarios. In future military aviation, radar systems will continue evolving with technologies like ESA arrays, AIN, enhanced signal processing, and networked warfare systems. But the ELM-2032 remains one of the strongest mechanically scanned radars in service. Its balance of affordability, performance, and proven reliability keeps it relevant even as more advanced radars enter the market. The radar also forms part of a networked battlefield concept. It shares information with other aircraft, ground stations, and command centers. This creates a unified picture of the battle space, allowing coordinated attacks and smarter defense strategies. A single radar-equipped fighter becomes a valuable node of intelligence for the entire force. In summary, the ELM-2032 stands out because it combines long-range detection, precision tracking, advanced mapping, multi-environment capability, and robust resistance to jamming. It improves pilot awareness, enhances weapon effectiveness, and transforms older aircraft into modern combat platforms. For many nations, it represents a cost-effective but highly powerful upgrade that boosts both offensive and defensive capabilities. The radar's global reputation is built on real performance, not just specifications. Air forces trust it because it consistently delivers in the moments that matter most. Whether in air supremacy missions, ground strikes, or maritime patrols, the ELM-2032 gives the aircraft an undeniable tactical edge. Thanks for watching today's detailed explanation of Israel's ELM-2032 Advanced Fighter Jet Fire Control Radar. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dive military technology reviews, Stay connected and keep exploring with us.